Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam corrupt update files. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Steam. Okay, once it's opened, go to the top left, click on Steam, Settings. Once done, in the left panel, click on Downloads. And then after that, scroll down a bit and just click on Clear Cache. Okay, click on Confirm. Wait for Steam to reopen. And then once that's done, go ahead and test if it helps, okay? Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and go back to the top left, click on Steam once more, and again, Settings. Now in here, go ahead over to Storage. Now here we have the three dots right here, okay? Click on the three dots and just click on Repair Library. There'll be a pop-up, just click on Yes, and just wait for the process right here to finish, okay? Click on Close once done, and then close it, close. Now restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. That is how you fix Steam corrupt update files. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.